This is the weirdo throwing bread at birds.
You hit one. I'm gonna hit one.
He just keeps on wasting our bread trying to feed these birds. I hope one of them attacks them one day.
Oh, that bird stole it.
See?
Oh, that bird missed. Oh, I got it.
I dare you to leave one on your hand and let it come by. I dare you. I dare you too.
It doesn't want to come near me. It just stands above.
Okay, again.
Watch, it just stands above me. See, it just stands
So,
above me.
leave it there. Wait till it comes down.
Fell.
And then there's like the pool. And the beach is all the way over there. And this one's still throwing bread.
What you say?
No. I just see birds. You're gonna hit a car.
The people live it.
There's people downstairs and they're looking at how Diego keeps on throwing bread.
Where's this bread coming from?
That's what they said. Diego, stop throwing bread.
All I do is
I swear, one of these things are gonna attack one day.
You throw piece of gum.
No, Diego. That's a waste of gum.
I have a whole bunch. Here's the catch. You know,